Hello student, good morning. Today is the practical session, so I'll show you the practical of input in Java. First of all, open any program. Suppose I have opened a program of circle, and in this program you can see multi-line comment, single line comments, and input using initialization, in which we have assigned a fixed value to the radius. But the problem is here, if we run this program many times, always we get the result according to the radius 6.5. We can't change during runtime. In second view, if we change this program as parameter view, then we delete this statement from here or make it comment. For any confusion, you delete this statement from here, delete, and declare a parameter variable of type float, float, and the name of variable is radius, then radius, radius. Instead of string args, we have changed the parameter float radius. Now we can receive the value of radius by using parameter, but this type of statement can be executed in BlueJ or in some certain platform only. So let's see how can compile and execute this program. Just click on compile button. If there is a message class compiled, no syntax error, close the program and run the program circle. Okay. Now you can see there is a dialog box that asks the value of radius, float radius. Now you can put any value, suppose 12.5 f. Now click on OK. This is the input or parameterized input. Click on OK. Now the perimeter of circle is calculated 78.5. In this way you can see two type of input, first initialization and second by using parameter. But as explained earlier in last video, this two type of inputting is not perfect because it does not provide the facility to input during runtime. It is better to use a scanner. Now I am going to use a scanner in this program. So you can see where changes are. First, we make this variable as a string args so that it can be run anywhere. Change this as a string args. Now import the scanner class. Import java dot util dot scanner semicolon. This line imports the scanner class in our program. Now create the object of a scanner class. Scanner, a name of object may be anything. Suppose here sc equals to new scanner system dot in semicolon. Now I've created object. Now give a message to the user to input the value of radius. To give message, we use system.out.println statement. So we have copied this statement from here and put it. Now give a message, enter a radius. Now give a semicolon. After giving this message, receive the value of radius in float or double in any way. Suppose if you want to take the value in double, then you write double radius equals to. Now receive the value from user. To receive the value, we use the same object that is given here, sc. We write sc dot, then from the list of functions to receive the value in double format, there is a method next double, next double, in which it is in capital letter, others are in a small letter. Now you have received the value of radius. In this way of inputting data, you can take the input during runtime, and in each run you can change the value. For example, compile this program. There is no syntax error. Now close and run this program. Okay. During runtime, there is a message enter a radius. Now we can type any radius. Suppose 25.4, enter. Now value is calculated according to 25.4. Again, if you want to uh, repeat it, this process, then uh, close the output, again run the program. Okay, again it demand for radius. Now I have typed the radius 6.9, enter. Now perimeter is calculated at 6.9. So in this way, it provides to inputting data during runtime. Now look the examples of different types of errors. If in this program, if we remove any semicolon, suppose from here, now when compile this program, it will give an error. We can see the message of error semicolon expected. This type of error is known as syntax error because it is not correct according to the syntax of Java. Now to correct it, we give a semicolon. For logical error, if instead of multiplying, suppose we know that the formula is 2 pi r, so we have written 2 into pi into radius. But by mistake, if you write here 2 into pi uh, plus radius, then during compilation there is no any error. There is no any error because this is the logical error, and logical error cannot be checked by your compiler. So this type of error gives incorrect result, but your program will get executed. Now change as previous. After that, a third type of error we have seen that the runtime error. Runtime error occurs during execution of program. In that time, if a user gives a wrong data or if, due to any other reason. For example, you can see if we execute this program again and void main OK and clear this program, repeat it again and instead of typing 6.5, if we type 6.5 enter, then perimeter is of circle is 40.82. It is correct. But again, if execute this program and during runtime, the value of radius, if you type SIX6 instead of numeric, we have given 6 in letter. Now, after typing 6, when we press enter, it will give an error java util.input mismatch exception. That means this is the runtime error that is occurs due to wrong input. Okay, thank you.